Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have 1 over x whole square minus 1 over x whole cube equals to 80, and we solve this problem for the values of x. So here first we convert this equation into the simplified form, but you see here the base on both of these terms are same, so that we will just take here 1 over x equals to m. So when you take 1 over x equals to m, this equation will becomes simple into the cubic equation. Okay, so when you subtract this m here, it is written as m square minus m cubed equals to 80. So now we need to solve this cubic equation first. And first we find the value of m, and after that we back substitute this value of m here, and we easily get the value of x. So here first we focus on the right hand side. So we move this 80 in the left hand side, and it is written as m square minus m cubed minus 80 equals to 0. And now we break this minus 80, and it is written as m squared minus m cubed minus 64 minus 16 equals to 0. This is minus 80, and we write it as minus 64 minus 16. When you add these two terms, you get 80. And now here we again focus on these two terms, and it is written as m squared minus m cubed minus, this is 64, and we write it as 4 cubed, this is 16, and we write it as 4 squared equals to 0. So further we make the pair of square term with this square term, and it is written as m square minus 4 square, and we make the pair of this cubic term with this cubic term. So here we need to take the common minus 1, and you get the remaining terms are m cubed plus 4 cubed equals to 0. So now in the next step, here we need two nice formulas. The one is cubic and the other is square. So you know that if we have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. And the cubic formula is written as a cubed plus b cubed equals to a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, so we need these two formulas to solve the above equation. So here first we apply this square formula on this first term. So our first term is written as m minus 4 times of m plus 4 minus, here we apply the cubic formula, and it is written as m plus 4 into m and m square minus m into 4 and plus 4 square, and it is equals to 0. So now we use the cubic formula to the second term, and we write in this form. And now you see here we have m plus 4 be the common term, so that we take common m plus 4, and the remaining terms are, here you have m minus 4, and when we take common m plus 4, then you get minus times of m square and this term. So we multiply this negative sign on all of these terms, and it is written as minus m square plus 4m, and here this is 4 square, and it is minus 16 equals to 0. Here we just multiply this negative sign on all of these terms, and you get the output in this form. So here we need more simplification, and now we need to add or subtract the like term. Okay, so we have m plus 4 into, here you have minus m square, and this m plus 4m equals to 5m, minus 4 minus 16 equals to minus 20, and this whole equals to 0. So here I can just divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we take m plus 4 equals to 0, and the second case is we take m minus m square plus 5m minus 20 equals to 0. So in the first case, you easily get the value of m is equals to minus 4. And now we back substitute the value of m, and in the start of the problem, we will take here 1 over x equals to m. So we substitute this m is equals to 1 over x. So it is written as 1 over x equals to minus 4. So now we take the reciprocal on both of the sides and you get x equals to minus 4. So this is the first real solution of the given equation. And now in order to find the other solutions, we need to solve this quadratic equation. So here first we write this equation into the standard form. So we need to multiply both of the sides by minus 1. So when you multiply both of the sides by minus 1, it is written as m square minus 5m plus 20 equals to 0. So here I can first write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 5, and c equals to 20. So now here we need to apply the quadratic formula, and you know about this formula. If we have m equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is known as the quadratic formula, and now we substitute these values of a, b and c in this formula, and it is written as minus b, and the value of b is minus 5 plus minus square root of b square, and b is minus 5 square, minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 20, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and our a is equals to 1. So here we need more simplifications, and now first we multiply these two signs and you get plus 5 plus minus square root of minus 5 square equals to 25, and this 4 times of 20 equals to 80, and it is divided by 2. So in the left hand side we have m. And now in the next step here we need to just subtract these two values, and we get 5 plus minus square root of minus 55. When you subtract 25 minus 80, you get minus 55, and it is divided by 2. So here you know one thing is that if you have we have iota is equals to minus 1 square root, so we use this value of iota here. So because here we have the negative sign inside the square root, so we put minus 1 equals to iota, and it is written as 5 plus minus square root of 55 into iota, and it is divided by 2. And now here the time to back substitute the value of m. So we take in the start of the problem m is equals to 1 over x. So we substitute it here, and it is written as 1 over x equals to 5 plus minus square root of 55 iota, and it is divided by 2. So in order to find the value of x here, we need to take the reciprocal on both of the sides. So when you take reciprocal, it is written as x equals to 2 over 5 plus square root of 55 into iota. So this is the value of, these are the two values, this is plus minus, these are the two values of x, and this is the final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.